Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.7, Problem 4. This is Section 2.7, Problem 4. It says find the least common multiple for the numbers 6 and 21. So what this problem means is we want to find the smallest value that both 6 divides into evenly and 21 also divides into evenly. That's the point. So to do that, what you want to do is find the prime factorization of both these numbers. And typically I do that off to one side, but these numbers are very easy to do the prime factorization for. So I'm just going to do it right underneath right away. A little different for this one. The 6 is just 2 times 3. Those are the primes that multiply to make a 6. The 21 is 3 times 7. Those are the primes that multiply to make a 21. Now that I have the prime factorization of both numbers, what I want to do is make a list of any prime that's used in either prime factorization. So that would be 2, 3, and 7. And then what I want to do is consider the exponents, and where I have exponents, use the higher exponent. Now, everything here is really just to the first power. I do have a 2. 2 shows up only to the first power. 3 shows up in more than one spot, but it's really only to the first power, so it stays first power. 7 only shows up in one spot. It's to the first power, so it stays first power. So I didn't really have to do anything with the exponents on this one. And then the final step is to multiply the results that you got together. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 3 times 7. So 2 times 3 is 6. I'll make that 6 times 7, which comes out to 42. So 42 is the least common multiple for 6 and 21. And what that means is 42 is the smallest value that both 6 will divide into evenly and 21 will also divide into evenly. And if 6 and 21 were denominators in a problem that had fractions, the least common denominator would be 42.